Maybe this one?
This one could work, or this one? Not sure, what do you think?
Finding the right concealer shade can be a challenge. It gets even trickier when it comes to brightening and contouring. Radiant Creamy Concealer comes in a ton of shades and it does all three. To find your perfect shade, swatch 3 colors from your orbital bone down towards your jawline. Whichever one disappears, the easiest into the skin is going to be your shade. In order to brighten, you want to go 1 to 3 shades lighter. Using the concealer to brighten gives a more natural effect to the skin. Apply it anywhere that you want to draw attention, and this is going to give a subtle highlight to the face.
I feel brighter. I feel like it looks a lot closer to my skin shade.
Yeah, I really like this concealer.
To use this concealer as a contour, you just pick a shade that's a few shades darker than your skin, and you want to apply it under the cheekbone and blend down towards the mouth and then up onto the cheek. Because this concealer is so creamy, it just melts into the skin, so it's really foolproof. If you apply too much, all you have to do is keep blending until you're happy. With so many shades, it's easy to find 3 that you can conceal, brighten, and contour. Look how good she looks.